Star from pole position, just listen to the roar of the crowd as Jorge Martin moves up on the inside of Marco Bezzecchi into second place. Pecco Bagnaia's got away well too. He's on around the outside of Bezzecchi into fourth from seventh spot. But it's Marc Marquez in front of his passionate home crowd that leads his home Grand Prix.
Yeah, just the start Pecco Bagnaia wanted. He just stayed on the left-hand side, just stayed well out of trouble into turn one and then picked a couple off on the way through the corner. So he's up into fourth. Pedro Acosta coming through the first sector down in 17th place. It's been a nightmare start for the rookie.
Not a great start either for Binder, who got the whole shot yesterday. He started fourth. He's already been pushed back down to sixth place on the pressure early on from the Gian Antonio, coming from a long, long way back.
Wow.
How far back goes Pecco Bagnaia? How did he get that stopped? What a